Stone-strong retaining wall blocks create a long-lasting, permanent solution to prevent shoreline erosion. In addition to erosion control, a new stone-strong wall beautifies the shoreline. As older walls start to fail and crumble, stone-strong blocks quickly and easily replace the older walls to avoid both unsightly and unsafe conditions. Whether used as a new wall or to replace an older wall, the new stone-strong wall can be installed to follow the natural shape of the shoreline, as shown by this installation on a TVA lathe. There are several sizes of stone-strong blocks to fit the lifting capabilities of many types of installation equipment. The smaller 6 square foot and 628 blocks are ideal for installations where a mini excavator is used and access to the shoreline is challenging. This water wall uses 3 courses of the 950-pound stone-strong 628 block to create a beautiful aesthetic along the waterfront. With the new stone-strong retaining wall block installation, homeowners can feel confident knowing they are protecting their shoreline, increasing their property value, and creating a beautiful and safe space to enjoy their waterfront property.